everyone, I'm Roshni and welcome to Medical Dialogues, daily dose of health and medical news. Here is today's top news from the health world. Pharmacists to now treat minor ailments give medicines in absence of doctors in Odisha. Through a recent notification, the Odisha government has authorized pharmacists to treat minor ailments and dispense medicines to patients in absence of a doctor in public healthcare facilities. The move is likely to address the issue of the Odisha being grappled with acute shortage of doctors despite government's relentless efforts to cope with the difficulties faced during absence of doctors and several posts lying vacant in hospitals, particularly in the villages. However, the recent permission granted for the purpose has been limited for 13 elements only. The ailments for which the pharmacists can dispense medicines are malaria, fever, upper respiratory tract infection, scabies, ringworm, helminthiasis, acid peptic disease, diarrhea, minor injuries and superficial burns that are not medico-legal cases, diastolic blood pressure, drainage of abscess and non-communicable disease. Italy recognizes Covishield eligible for Green Pass. The Indian Embassy in Rome stated on Friday that the country has recognized the Covishield vaccine and those who have received the jab are now eligible for a Green Pass. With Italy's recognition, a complete 19 European Union nations have given their go in advance to Covishield. This is the final result of a G20 Health Ministers Assembly among Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya and his Italian counterpart Roberto Speranza, the embassy stated in a tweet. Release final training completion certificates of DNB trainees, NBE tells institutes. In its recent advisory for final year DNB trainees in the view of ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the NBE has directed to all institutes to release the final TCC of trainees. This advisory to all NBB aggregated institutions is pursuant to the representations received by the NAT board claiming that some institutions are not releasing the final training completion certificates of trainees even though the trainees have completed their DNB training including the mandatory 3 months of extension. Noting that the final training completion certificates have not been released by some of the institutes, despite the advisory clearly mandating the same, the NB has taken a serious view of this lapse. In no circumstance are the institutions at the liberty to withhold the final TCC of the trainees who have completed their prescribed training with mandatory 3 months of extension, the NAT board mandated. INTA secures CDSCO panel not to study arthritis drug adalimumab. Drug firm Intas has gotten a green signal from the SEC functional under the Central Drug Standard Control Organization to conduct a study of rheumatoid arthritis drug adalimumab. This nod, however, is conditional on a number of factors. The expert panel has instructed the firm that the principal investigator of the study should be a rheumatologist or an MD in medicine with experience in rheumatology. Furthermore, the committee recommended that half of the clinical trial sites be from government hospitals and institutions. The scheme in the wake of the proposal presented by the Intas to conduct a phase 3 clinical trial of adalimumab. After detailed deliberation, the committee recommended the grant of permission for the conduct of the study subject to the following conditions. The firm should clarify the color of the product. The principal investigator should be a rheumatologist or an MD in medicine with experience in rheumatology. 50% of the clinical trial sites from government hospitals and institutions should be included in the study. PM Modi to launch nationwide digital health mission on 27 September. Straight after getting returned from his US visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is ready to announce the national rollout of Pradhan Mantri Digital Mission on September 27. According to Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, DG Health Mission, the central flagship scheme appears to digitalize healthcare across the country, creating a huge virtual health ecosystem that will permit patients to store, access and consent to share their health data with doctors and health facilities of their choice. The PMDHM will create a national health digital infrastructure to offer widespread health coverage with digital IDs for all citizens, unique identifiers for doctor and health facilities, personal health records and telemedicine and e-pharmacy amongst other components.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.